Good morning. My name is Bubba J. Who likes brushed toast? I do. Today, we're making blueberry brushed toast. Don't you worry, I'll be back. Welcome back, and that's cook. This is my niece, Lily. He's here to help me to cook.
Hello.
All right, Bubba J. What are we gonna need to make our blueberry stuffed French toast today?
Well, we're gonna use the bowl and put the powdered sugar in here.
Okay. So you're gonna need powdered sugar.
Yeah.
What else do we need?
And sour cream.
No, cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
And Miss Lily, what else are we gonna need for our French toast today?
Blueberries.
You're gonna need some blueberries.
Some milk.
You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of milk. Some half and half.
And eggs.
So kind of
Eggs. French toast.
Bread.
Oh, what am I saying? French bread. And some vanilla extract. So we're gonna get to, let's put this together, Josh, huh?
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna
All
get
right.
started. I'm ready to put the cream cheese in the bowl.
All right.
A mini powdered sugar. With the milk.
And now the vanilla.
2 teaspoons for the vanilla thing. I'm gonna take the fork and stir it up. That's hard. You just stir it and get it smooth. What are we supposed to do next?
Take 8 pieces of bread and put them on the bun. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8.
Wait, hold on. We're gonna spread the cream cheese into the bread.
I'm doing the
Each piece of the bread, put the blueberries on.
All right, Lily. Let's put some blueberries. This is what's gonna make it taste really good.
What do we do next, Lily?
Make a sandwich.
That's better. I want you to crack those 5 eggs into the pan.
Oh! I don't know what they were doing.
1 cup, pan in half, inside the eggs.
Now you whisk the eggs.
Go ahead. You put the sandwiches on top of the eggs. On both of them. We're gonna put the heat in the grill.
So So you're gonna turn on your grill.
Turn on my grill.
Act like you're turning it on.
And Josh, what kind of grill are we using today?
This one.
This one? Yeah, folks, we're using the Camp Chef 14-inch griddle, outdoor camping stove. That's our barbecue. And so, like Bubba J said, we're using this grill. All right.
We're gonna put the bread onto the grill and cook it up.
All right.
Move your bike.
Look how much I drink.
And the words drink.
I want you to welcome my mom.
Hello.
There's Mrs. Wilson. All right.
Okay, now I'm going to show you how to sprinkle, okay? You take a spoonful of powdered sugar, and you put it in here, and you tap the side. See how pretty that looks?
Ooh, so pretty. It looks like falling snow.
It does, huh? Okay, Josh, I'm going to put some more in here for you, and then I want you to sprinkle it on the rest, okay? You got to tap hard. Harder. Harder. There you go. Good. Now go to this one.
We're gonna put more blueberries in. Time to eat.
Good job, buddy.
Bye.
Well, hey guys, I hope you enjoyed Bubba J's first cooking show. You did pretty good, buddy.
Yeah.
Hey, we're gonna sit down and enjoy these awesome blueberry stuffed French toasts. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I think we're gonna do some more cooking shows, huh?
Yeah.
This is what life on the road is all about. We love every minute of what we do every day. Hey guys, if you really enjoyed this video, if you can right below, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell so you guys get notifications when we put out a new video. And like we say with Raptor Pack RVing, travel more, stress less, and let's go eat.